Get ready for a legal dictation. 5 seconds. Start. In respect of the notification published on 18/6/1984, the collector made his award on 31/1/1986 under section 11 staff on reference under section 18 at the instance of some claimants, the reference court, by its award and decree dated 21/11/1988, enhanced the compensation staff. The application under section 28A was filed on 1/10/1991 staff. The written application can be filed by some who had not sought the reference under section 18 staff, though they are entitled to make the application, the application shall be filed within 3 months from the date of the award of the reference court, excluding the time taken for obtaining the certified copy of the award as provided under proviso to section 28A staff. Since the application under section 28A was filed beyond 3 months, on the above facts, the same is barred by limitation staff. The award of the enhanced compensation to the respondents in this appeal is clearly illegal and without jurisdiction staff. The same issue was decided by the apex court in its earlier judgment in the case of Babu Ram and others versus State of UP and another staff. The issue was decided not only in reference to the limitation for an application but even as to which award of the code should be taken, not for the purpose of reckoning maintainability of the application under section 28A of the Act of 1894 and limitation staff. It was held that the subsequent award of the court would not give successive cause of action when multiple awards are made at different times or dates. Staff. Paragraph 20 of the said judgment is quoted here in for ready reference. Staff. The question then is when exactly the period of limitation starts running for making an application in writing under subsection under bracket 1 of section 28A staff. A bare reading of subsection under bracket 1 along with its proviso would indicate that the making of the award by the civil court or judicial officer, which becomes the judgment and decree under section 26, is the starting point from which the period of limitation is allowed for making an application under section 28A staff. However, the present agreed in computing the period of 3 months allowed for making an application under section 28A would be entitled to exclude the day on which the award was pronounced by the court or the judicial officer and the time requisite for obtaining the certified copy of the award, which is a judgment and decree under section 26 staff. In other words, the proviso to subsection under bracket 1 of section 28A excludes the requisite time taken for obtaining the copy of the award, and in computation of the period of 3 months from the date of the award, the time required to obtain a certified copy of the award should be excluded. Staff. Limitation being to run from the date the award was pronounced by the court under section 26 staff. It is well settled that the law of limitation limits the time after which a suit or other proceeding cannot be entitled in a court of justice or beyond appropriate authority, though it does not affect the substantive rights of the parties. Staff. Once the limitation begins to run, it runs in its full course until its running is interdicted by an order of the court. Staff.